Hi everyone, this is a very fun project that I like to share with you. This is my kids' baby socks, and look at that, it's broken. Don't throw it away. This is what we're going to do. You're going to, the thing is right here is okay. Just that one. I think that's the shoe part. So I'm gonna cut about, I would say about 1 inch, 2 and 3, 3.5 inches or so. Cut it. Very fun thing to do. And also on the top here, top part, that broken piece right there, fine, that's okay. Cut this past that. I would say about 4 inches. Plastic cup, cut it. Cut about close to an inch. This don't matter, yeah, as long as it's like about an inch or so. That's the feeling that I got from the pillow, got it from the Walmart. Push it in. Easier to do this way. Make sure you get it all the way, and then put the cup, the bottom of the cup in. Push. Labor time. Push, push, push. Before you sew, they stitch around, go all the way to the first one here. So you push it down, and then you can tell how far that you sew. Get the knock, and it go to the same one like that. And then so you can do that. When you pull it, it won't pull it out because the material of the sock is gonna take the whole thing out. So you better do that from the beginning. Made in stitch all the way. I have a camera very close right in front of me. You see, when you pull the thread from the beginning, it's stuck there. Last time I say that, it come right out. Isn't that so funny? I want to make sure it's staying really good. In the winter time when I was driving, and I, you know, like I have kids, so I always have the water bottle in the trunk of my car. And then when they bring it in, when they need it, they bring it in. You know, so they have it. I have like half of the water bottle in my side of the door, right? While I'm driving, waiting for the red light, all of a sudden I heard a popping sound. I thought that somebody just shot me, but I don't feel the pain. I look over, it was a water bottle just popped because the pressure, I think, the winter time, it's cold, and I don't know, but I was safe. Nobody shot me. Alright, so make a loop somewhere, somehow. My dress is short, that's fine. I'm gonna just cut it right here. If this happened to you, do this, everyone. If the dress is too short, break it into two and then tie it. Alright, you are safe to go. Cut that beer off. Needle away. Cut extra away. So good. And now make sure everything look good. Okay. This looks like a cupcake, Halloween cupcake. Alright, so I'm gonna put that on the side. And for this band, this one right here, you're gonna inside out. And then you're going to fold it one. Fold this band. Good thing it have a stripe right there. And then from here, do that one more time. So now the broken one that's staying in, that you don't see it. So put around your finger like this, so you can straighten everything out. Alright, now you are good to go. Like this. Get your glue gun, hot glue. Stretch this out like this. Open this part. Add the glue. Be careful, okay? I don't tell you to glue on your hand. Don't do that. Okay, just very close to it. Go around. So windy outside. I'm telling you, I'm going out there later on. It's gonna be on the breaking news. We found a flying human. The craziness there, don't worry about this. We have something to do. And now look at that. So stretchy. Piece of paper, I have it here. I have it 3 inches paper. I'm gonna make a square, so I'm gonna fold a triangle like this way. Sometimes I say it's the wrong shape, you know. Last time it's supposed to be a rectangle, but I say triangle. And then the lady, poor thing, she's like, I can't find a triangle. My goodness, I feel so bad. Alright, so now you have the fold, and then you have the pointy. Bring this pointy to here. Press this down. The other one, bring it over. Press this down. Into this side. Bring this half to the middle. Bring this half to the middle also. Make sure it have to be the fold. Andrea, Susan. Make sure everything on the fold. And now you fold outward. So you fold outward like this. You see this pointy right here? That's the fold. This 2 big giant fold go down like this. There you go. Now you have the flower shape. Anytime you want to make the flower, do that way. Everything perfect and even. Go get the faux fabric, and then you can trace on the faux fabric that I have it right here. You have something like this. I already have one. Okay, so like this one, bring this back in here. Make sure it's right in the center if you want to make sure, because when you have it right here in the center, go ahead from the outer of this into the inside. Make sure it go right in the center. Push it down. You have any idea what I'm making? People like Andrea and Susan, if you don't know what I'm making, I'm coming over to your house. I'm telling you, I'm coming right over. And now this one right here, this is a craziness. I'm going on the back here. This line right across. I'm gonna add it in here. The first thing you're gonna put one line first, and then we'll do the other after. Lisa, that my friend, on Facebook, and I connect with her on Facebook, she connect with me, whoever, doesn't matter. And she said that print the picture of the person you don't like and then put it up on the top here every time you poke on the face. The best idea ever. Love it. Good job, Lisa. Okay, just like this, everyone. Now when you sew, you're gonna put in your arm. You wear it. Ta-da! That's it, like that. So easy. Easy peasy. And I make the white one too. The same. The white one with the bang, with the sock like this. So pretty. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, even have a name on here too. Beautiful. Stay safe and take care, everyone.